Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys how can you stop YouTube's auto dubbing. So whether you are a creator and want to upload videos without auto dubbing, or you want to watch YouTube videos without auto dubbing, you're in the right place. Follow up with me. Since we're going to start from the YouTube app, go to your Play Store or App Store. Just make sure you have the YouTube app updated to the latest version, or at least have one of the newer versions for everything to run smoothly. After that, quit the store, open YouTube, open a random video, and then once the video loads up, you can tap on the gear icon in the top right corner and a pop-up menu from the bottom will pop up. Basically, you see auto track, tap on it. Now if the creator's main language is English, if you set it at English, that means auto dubbing is off. If you find it set to another language, that means it's on. All you need to do is set it back to the original language in the top right there. Now if you want to upload videos without auto dubbing, go to your browser basically, and then go to studio.youtube.com. Just make sure you are in the desktop version of the site like that. Once you make sure you're in the desktop site, you can go ahead and zoom to the bottom left corner towards that gear icon and then go ahead and tap on it. Now previously the setting was in upload defaults. That's why in previous YouTube videos or old YouTube videos about this matter, they go to upload defaults. Now it's under channel, so tap on channel. And then let's go ahead and tap on advanced setting, the one in the middle right here, and then scroll down until you find auto dubbing. It must be here, I just saw it. Maybe if I switch back to another setting and come back, I find it. Let's go back to advanced settings, scroll down, and here it is, auto dubbing. By default, it's gonna come turned off. As you can see here, once I swipe to the right side, I can enable it, and then I'm gonna enable it eventually to show you guys how can you turn it off. So let me go ahead and enable it right now. Just like that, I enable it. As you can see, if I want to turn it off, I can just uncheck the first one right here, or if I want to check the dubbing before uploading it, I can go ahead and check the manual dubbing. Like this, it is turned off. So basically, this is how you turn off auto dubbing on YouTube. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And as always, thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos.